Hello, welcome to another video. So in this video, we are going to quickly understand about formula bar in Excel. So formula bar is a crucial element in the user interface that we see on the Excel, and it is helpful in creating and editing formulas within the cell. So it is located just below your ribbon. So if you see, this is the white where the formula bar is there, where we can see this effects. So this is the formula bar which we can see, and it will help us for a dedicated space for viewing, entering and editing any formulas. With formula bar, you can also go ahead and check any particular value of a cell. So if I click on employee name, you can see the employee name comes up at the formula bar. And if you want to make any changes or edit this formula or this content of the cell, you can do it using the formula bar as well. And if the content is too big to be viewed here, we have an expand and collapse arrow at the last of the formula bar. If you do it here, it will expand to show you full data, or we can collapse it back. So that is a particular content that is filled in this cell. So if you want to understand if there is a formula, you can go ahead and check. You will not be seeing any formula. It will just show you the content. So the first important thing, formula bar can be used for viewing your cell contents. Okay, so the cell might contain your text, number, dates, or any other non-formula data as well, which can be easily viewed from your formula bar. Then the formula bar, you can enter a formula and simply click on the cell where you want to enter any formula, and you will be able to enter the required formula. So let's see if any of the cell, I have already entered some formula. So I will go to this cell, Q1 total incentive. So if you see here, if I select the cell, I can see a sign starting with equal to. So the formula in Excel will start with equal to. In this cell, there is a formula that is being set, which is adding up or summing up all the values from B2, C2 and D2. So it is adding all the three values and showing me the output. So that is the sum of all three cells that is stored in this particular cell, that is E2. Okay, so we can enter the formulas as well. If I want to go ahead and edit any formula, then again I can go ahead and edit the formula. So let's say if I say, okay, I don't want to have till D2, I can go ahead and use only, let's say, C2. So the formula will be changed. So now the value is changed. So now it is only calculating me the value for B2 and C2. It is not containing the D2 value. Okay. So this way we can edit a formula. So we'll revert it back to the original state. So again, see, my formula has changed. And as soon as I change the formula, I have to hit enter. So the value will be done. Or if I want to make a changes, I can also do here, make the formula changes and click on this tick sign. So that will change the value. Or if I go ahead and make a changes and hit enter, it will change the value and go to the next cell. As in the other video, I have already shown how we navigate across the cells and edit the data. We can also use certain times, if right now you're seeing it's a very small formula, but we can also view a long formula in the same formula bar. So it is also helpful. In case your formula is not having correct cell values or it has incorrect parameters being passed, so we can also see the errors in this formula bar. So it might show some errors like NA or any specific error which will be not be able to derive from any specific formula that we have put. So we might need to fix the formulas. Also, we can use the formula for auditing. So in case I want to see this is my value, but from where this value is being derived. So if I click here, so automatically it will show me these values are coming from these three cells, which is B4, C4 and D4. And if I come here, it will again show me, if I click here, it will audit me that, okay, these are the cell values from where this formula is being derived. Okay. We can also copy paste the formula from one cell to another cell. So let's say if I want to show this total not here, I want to have in some other cell, I will copy the formula, go to the specific cell where I want to have that value, go back to formula bar, paste that particular value, and either I can click on this green tick or I can hit enter. So if you see, this is showing me something as hash because the length of the column is fine, but we need to expand it. So if I expand it, it will show me a total value here. So it is a very versatile tool that can be used for creating, editing, and auditing any formulas, which will help in lot of operations that we perform on Excel. So more details I will share in further videos. Thank you for watching this video.